behave yourself. It's your fashion mom.
OMW. On my way.
Welcome back, you guys. I have a very special guest today. Yay! Today is a very special day. I have some cool new fashion pieces of the season that I cannot wait to unbox this beauty for you. You're in for a treat. Now, before getting into this beautiful baby, I really want to thank Karma for sponsoring today's video. Karma is an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a sale, price drop, or coupon code. I will leave all the information down below in the description box. You know I'm a deal hunter. You guys know I love to buy things on sale, so this has been so helpful for me, you know, just to be in the know when things are getting reduced in price, when they're low in stock, or if there's a new coupon code. And the best is that, like, some of the pieces that I've been looking at all season, I finally got to snag. I cannot wait to show you them. Karma is really easy to use. Let me tell you how. On your computer, download the Chrome extension. From there, you can visit your favorite stores. Using the extension, you can then save your favorite items, and then you'll get notifications via email or phone to let you know when an item's gone on sale. The great thing about this extension is that you can actually save your items and your lists. This way, you can have multiple wish lists and shop more mindfully. Another incredible feature about Karma is that they actually scan the entire internet for all coupon codes, and they apply it directly at checkout. This is a special feature, so the Chrome extension is a must. You can now earn Karma Cash to your PayPal account when shopping with select retail partners. Make sure to check out the link in my description box for the free Chrome extension. All right, let's jump right into this beauty. I'm not gonna, like, you know, show you everything and save this for last. I know what you want to see, and I know you want to see what's in here, so I'm going to give you what you want. We're going to jump off with the goods. Let's get right into this amazing, beautiful Chanel bag that I did not expect that I would get. Listen, my husband, I told him that I really wanted a Chanel 19. He doesn't even know what a Chanel 19 is. But I told him, look, my birthday's coming up. If there's one thing that I want, it would be a Chanel 19. And I actually have not bought something like this in a really long time. And I haven't gotten a gift like this from my husband in a really long time. In fact, last year on our birthdays, like, we have birthdays like a month apart, a month and a bit apart. And we canceled out each other's birthday. I'm like, babe, don't worry, don't get me anything. And I won't get you anything. Just, like, let's just do a wash for last year. But this year I was like, no, okay, we're not doing that again.
Oh, hell no!
No, I'm just playing. Like, I was not demanding at all. I really wasn't. But I was just like, I wouldn't mind a Chanel. And he was just feeling very generous. It's been a very good summer for us. It's been great. You know, we've traveled, things have been opening up, and we've just been in good spirits. We've been working hard. We have been working hard, both of us. My husband works hard, and you guys know I work hard too, and we play hard as well. So I have enjoyed the fruits of my labor. I have beautiful new fashion pieces to show you that I purchased. Yes, with my own earned money. Yes, because, you know, we get those hate comments up in here sometimes, so just setting the record straight. I work and I pay for my own things. But anyways, let's get into the bag. Sorry for the rambling. This is a beautiful, ooh, Chanel 19. I cannot believe that my husband chose this for me. I told him what he wanted, and baby, he delivered.
Signed, sealed, delivered.
I said I wanted a bright color 19. A bright color 19, nothing in like orange or yellow, because I know that Chanel did like yellow, but I just said a bright color, okay? Because Chanel did unbelievable greens, blues, purple, lavenders, pinks, and I was like, one of those, okay? Hook it up, one of those. Baby. Now, I already know what's inside, but this was my husband's doing. This really was my husband's doing, because I got pictures, and that's how I know. And this is so exciting for me. Oh, and I'm not a master unboxer. You know, when you see these unboxing videos on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube, they just show it so beautifully, and there's like a camera overhead. I never know how to do that, but yeah, hopefully I give you a good viewing experience today. The little ASMR. Oh my dear Lord. Oh my, what do we have? You know, when people do these unboxings, they're like, and it comes with this little booklet, blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about the booklet. I don't mean to be rude, but nobody cares. You want to see the bag. I know. I know. Okay, are you ready? Oh, it's gonna clash with my shirt. Oh, I didn't think this through. I did not think this through. Look at this baby. Should I change my shirt? Oh man, I did not think this through. Hello? I would not call this bubblegum pink. I would call this like just like a bright, corally, not neon, but so bright and vibrant. This is the most incredible shade of pink. I cannot. Okay. Okay. Like I said, we're not so experienced in the unboxing department. Like, what do we take the stuffing out? Do we show the contents? What's inside? I mean, nothing's inside except a strap, but do you want to see? Oh my God. So, you know, has the long strap. I will style this for you as well. So I love the top handle component to the 19 because you can, you know, wear it on your arm and, you know, make it more like for going out, you know what I mean? Or, you know, under the arm as a clutch. And then you can make it very casual with the shoulder strap, crossbody on your arm, just like so. It's just so cool. It's so functional. This is the medium size, which is perfect. I think I'll get so much wear out of this. It's not going to be like one of those everyday bags where I'm like schlepping to the grocery store and like running around with it, but it's definitely a bag that I'm going to wear a lot when I'm going out, when I'm just like doing things where I'm dressing nicely. You know, it doesn't have to be the fanciest thing because I wear my stuff. I enjoy my stuff. I don't baby my stuff. But with a bag like this in this color, it's not really something that like running errands, running to and from school drop off, not because I don't want to ruin the bag, but just because it just doesn't work with that energy, you know, like I'm like in leggings, in like schleppy clothes. So like it doesn't work. I like my Bottega Jody bag for stuff like that. But, you know, this is just more like if I'm putting on jeans and, you know, I'm going out, like I'll rock this. You know what I mean? But this is my first medium size 19. I have the large size in like the tweedy pink. I just like this size more. It's more mid-size. If you're interested in seeing a total bag review of this, like what do they call it? First impression, something like that. If you want like a full review on this bag after me using it, I could totally do that, but I'm pretty sure I'm just going to tell you that I love it. So, I mean, you can always just let me know in the comments. So, that is that. All right, so next I want to show you a really, really cool outfit that I got from Saint Laurent. Like, I've been traveling and I picked up a few things on my travels, and this is just such an exciting, cool outfit for me because you know, I've been really feeling lately like, I mean, I obviously have a lot of beautiful clothes in my closet that I've shown you guys and many luxury designer pieces, but I kind of am in this vibe right now where like I want looks from like some of my favorite fashion houses and not just like a piece here and a piece there, but a full look. I did get these at reduced prices. These were on sale, so I'm really, really excited about it. This is a Saint Laurent leather skirt. Obviously, the whole outfit's Saint Laurent. It's a size 34. Listen, this was like one of the last ones. There were only really big sizes and really small sizes, and I probably needed a 36, but we're gonna squeeze. We're gonna squeeze right in. I'm gonna show you. All right.
You know, just squishing against your body.
It is tight. It's toy, but it's still a vibe. We're just skimming by. I love the scalloped detail at the top of the skirt. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. It's leather, and I mean, like, it does not get more Saint Laurent than like a leather piece. Like, this is just so Saint Laurent. And then I thought, like, how absolutely amazing is it to pair it with this very cool Grease Lightning. Okay, my friend called it Grease Lightning. Grease Lightning bomber, like satin bomber jacket. I find this so cool and edgy and so Saint Laurent 1983. Just perfect. Absolutely perfect. Saint Laurent right here on the back with just like a lot of colors. We love color. I love all black and I love color. So this is just like a very cool way to do both. I think this is just like an absolutely epic Saint Laurent look. I have a couple pieces from Saint Laurent, but I really wanted like a full look. If you follow me on Instagram, I recently showed some stories of me in the Versace store, and I was trying on some Versace looks. And I was shopping that day in a Zimmerman dress, which is like a complete opposite aesthetic to Versace, but Versace. I'm sorry for the people who want to come for me on the enunciation. Versace.
Versace. You do want to emphasize on the sa, so Versace.
Is that okay? Anyways, I was saying that the aesthetics are so different, right? But that's me. When it comes to fashion, I'm across the board. So I just would really love to have like a full Versace look, like a Gianni Versace look. You know what I mean? Because there's a time and a place for Versace, right? So it's not totally my vibe and my aesthetic, rocking Versace, but it's a Versace look that I can get down with, when I'm in the mood, when I'm out on the town, I think that's just so cool, which I did touch on in my last video as well. So I know I'm being like a bit repetitive, but I do love that aesthetic. Just to give you context on, me as a fashion content creator, I really love to have looks from certain fashion houses just to like represent that particular fashion house and also represent my style and the fashion that I love. So I just think that's so cool. I'm so into this Saint Laurent look. I think there's a few ways I could style this. So very, very happy. Next, I have two dresses to show you, and you might be able to guess just by looking at them what they are, and just by knowing me, you might be able to guess what they are. And that's because you probably know by now, I absolutely love me some Zimmerman. When I'm in Vegas, I love going shopping at the shops at the Wynn and Encore. I think it's like the new shop. They're not new. They've been there for a few years, but like just that added section of the Wynn, they have Balmain, Zimmerman, Saint Laurent, Loewe. They have the OVO store, some of you Toronto people. And every time I'm there, I always hit up Zimmerman, and I always walk out with one or two pieces from Zimmerman because just first of all, the selection is amazing. Not all locations that sell Zimmerman have everything. That location has such great inventory. I just absolutely fell in love with this dress, and I actually posted on Instagram stories as well. I posted like 6 or 7 stories of different Zimmerman dresses, and I tried each and every one of them on, and you guys helped me decide which dresses to buy, and so many of you on Instagram absolutely loved this dress, and I couldn't agree more. I love it. I love the cutouts. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can wear this because I just think it's so cool with this tie. I love that it's low cut. I love the billowy sleeves, and I love the print and the material. This is all in all very, very Zimmerman, very my vibe, something that I just absolutely love. It's such a great go-to for me. And look, I know like Zimmerman gets a lot of airtime here on my channel, but the thing is, I think consistently they just work for me. The fashion is just so for me. I love the cuts. I love the prints. I love how it fits my body, and I love how feminine it is. As much as I love to be black leather edgy, I also really, really love to be like floral feminine as well. And Zimmerman just really captures that so perfectly for me, season after season, collection after collection. I've never seen a Zimmerman collection that I didn't love. Just very, very happy with this piece. And then I got one last piece from Zimmerman on this trip in Vegas from the Zimmerman store, same store. And again, same thing. I just love this. This is more for like every day, like that cutout that I just showed you. It's probably not something that I'd wear on an everyday basis. It'd be more like for an occasion, like, I don't know, just maybe going out for dinner, not a big occasion because I really, like I said, I like to wear my stuff and enjoy it. But just going out. Maybe a birthday, maybe a nice lunch, maybe a dinner. But this is something that I could really wear on an everyday basis. Really, just anything. Running errands, going about town, doing daily things, and just looking cute and feeling great. I love pieces like that for that reason, because I want to look good and feel good and, just do my everyday things while, feeling nice,
Clothes.
Treat yourself.
Fragrances.
Treat yourself.
Massages.
Treat yourself.
And this is just like nice, classy, very Zimmerman, the billowy sleeves again. And I love that you can also wear this in 2 different ways. You can, just tie it the way it's meant to be tied, but you can also pull it back and kind of wear it like that, which I think is really, really cool. I love the high neck and all the buttons. I just love a Zimmerman high neck dress. I don't know, just very much suits me, I think. Like, I feel like it does, and I just feel good in them. Anything Zimmerman, for me, you can't really go wrong. So yeah, the print is great. It's also like a very light cotton, so just easy to wear. Light spring, summer, definitely like a mild fall day because it does have those like fall colors. So, you know, if you were wearing this with like a cool jacket on top and a pair of boots, you could definitely make this a fall piece. Very, very versatile and cool and very me. I absolutely love this piece. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this try-on video. I really, really love these new fashion pieces, and I could not wait to show you them. I hope you enjoyed this little eye candy. I mean, I know it's eye candy for me, and so fun to show you guys these pieces and try them on for you. I can't wait to wear them and style them more and show you them more. If you liked it, make sure you like it and leave me a comment. You guys know I love hearing from you, and I have so many great videos coming up, especially for the new fashion seasons. We have a lot to discuss. So I will be back in a few days, and I cannot wait to see you. So until next time, bye for now.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW.